DJ Roses po. Ayan na, yung pasok po. Welcome, mami. Pasok po kayo.
Mamaya lang.
Yan, narating na. DJ, where are you? Come here na. It's your ano na. It's your time na to eat this roses to sing. Oh, sino pa po? Itong dalawa pa, may dalawa. Boys, wala ba tayong boys? Naging peking na ba yung mga ating mga boys na kids?
Ayaw daw lang.
I still have 2 rows here.
Ano dyan?
Yeah. You are? What's your name? Gian. Gian, can you... Oh! Sino tong naswerteng isa? Ang ganda naman tong flowers na to. Sino magbibigay kasi sing? Visitors! Mommy, Daddy! I need your cooperation. Please let your son take this flower for me and give it to Sing. Mommy, Daddy, pasok po kayo. Welcome po sa party na Sing. Please come here po. Marami po tayong mga upuan dito. Bibi, halika na. That's right. Handsome boy. What's your name? Daddy? How about you? What's your name? Ray. You are a beautiful, handsome ano name. Come here na.
Yung video mo
That is the same, ha? Okay. Alright, so what's next?
They give the rose.
Maestro, ano magandang tugtog dyan? Ano pang baile? Pang-baile lang daw. Oh, isa na tayo yan. Guys, ano? Sige,
Doon sa kabila,
what you should do is you dance. Magda-dance kayo together with Suzanne, ha? Mama Suzanne, okay lang ba? Ano gusto mong music para sa dance mo ni Suzanne? Okay, Suzanne, don't want to dance. Ha? Kung saan magtigaw si Suzanne? Suzanne, baka kayo mag-dance? Yung party? Dance? Sige na. Okay. So, what's your name? Bibigyan mo yan kay Suzanne, ha? Ano sasabihin mo sa kanya?
Kami doon lang.
Bigyan mo na yung roses kay Suzanne. Then say happy birthday.
Lakas pa.
Maestro, hindi marinig yung boses ng baby. Makinig sa mic. Okay. Sige, mag-music ka lang. Wait lang. Ano sabihin mo kay Suzanne? Happy birthday daw, Suzanne. And you, what's your name? Ano, napaka-shy ng ating mga guests.
Ano ito sabihin mo?
Oh, yan you. Happy birthday, Suzanne.
Happy birthday, Susie.
What's your name?
Happy birthday, Susie.
And then, what's your name?
Happy birthday.
And you, again? What's your name? Adrian. Sabihin mo kay Suzanne. And you're the last one. Tayo mga last daw may message. Ano sabihin mo kay Suzanne?
Happy birthday, Susie. Sana makinig ka sa mga mama mo.
Oh, thank you. Happy birthday, daw, Suzanne. Okay, boys, thank you. And we can take your seat na.
Hawakan mo.
Ano kayo?
Picture na, picture. Hindi, ako picture. Flowers.
Okay lang, mami. Suzanne, okay nga. Daan na yung 7 roses mo. Okay.
Bayan
set na po. 7 gifts. Please get ready. Raisa. 7 gifts po. So, si Nekabel. Nekabel po for the 7 gifts. Si Sophia. How about Dian? Sophia, come here. Are you there? Yes, please get ready. And how about Joanna? Joanna, are you here for the 7 gifts? And Mami kanina. Okay, nabigyan ni Mami. Si Maria and Marilu.